guys, welcome to the start of today's video. We're going to be taking the Chaser down to PJ's house because it's been having a little bit of problems. So I want to get an opinion from an expert. So PJ is the Jay-Z legend. He knows much more about these cars than me. So hopefully he can point us in the right direction. But I think we've come to the same conclusion on why this car is misfiring under load. So it's only misfiring when I'm foot to the floor, pedal to the metal. But yeah, it's been a little bit of a problem lately, so I haven't been driving it. All right, here's a cold start for you guys. Shoot inside of gear. Here we go. I don't know if it's me, but it feels like the cold starts on ethanol are much louder than it was on 98. So yeah, I don't know, but damn, it's loud. Guys, I'm gonna be on the news. Woo! Sounds so damn good. Alright, we are here. I'm gonna say hello to PJ, and we haven't seen him in a while. He hasn't actually been on the vlogs for a long time, so gonna show him the Chaser and let him drive it because he is pretty much responsible for the reason why I make this power. All right, so we're at PJ's house. A lot of you guys always ask me about these turbo kits, PJ's turbo kits, like, you know, the turbo kit that I'm running. This is the man behind it all. Hello, PJ.
Hello, guys.
What's going on?
Oh, you know, another beautiful day in Melbourne.
Just making some turbos?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, got a few on the run. So.
Dude, look, he's got what, turbo here, turbo there, another turbo here, stock turbo, and this is what? This is your new G series kit, or is this the?
This is just customers asked for. He wanted all the Kurt stuff on it, so
yeah.
So I work with Kurt because he's somewhat local. It's probably about 45 minutes for me. So this is T51R.
Oh, that's also a T51R.
Yeah.
Sick.
So yeah, we'll see how this goes.
Damn.
So it's good. No, it's good that Kurt's quite local because then we work together.
Oh, did he do this as well?
Yeah, he did all that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I do an external, I don't have the jigs for this. Kurt has some of the jigs. If someone wants a full system done, then I sort of work with Kurt. People who want to run a blow-off valve.
Yep.
So this is a Turbo Smart Compact.
Oh,
like
wow.
Recirc.
Yeah.
So people that don't like the factory one, which is fair enough because sometimes they leak. So this has a full billet.
Oh, that's mad. How do you, is that like, can you just buy that off the shelf or?
Nah, so that's actually one of the first ones. I'll give you the link to the guy that's doing it. Yeah, if you get a kit off me, like I just work with him too, we can just all put it together. So if you do want to run it like that, it'll be alright. People who are worried about turbo surge and all that stuff, yeah, the guy that's running this is actually like 40, so he doesn't want any noise.
Oh, he doesn't want the dose.
He doesn't want any of that stuff. So he's got 2 kids and it's in his 110.
Yeah.
So that was the one I did, the G30 770, and I drove that to Sydney.
Oh, so he wants
That's
that now?
One, yeah.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna go for a ride in the Chaser now. Sorry about the wind noise, it's really windy and I don't have my microphone on. So I'm gonna do a rundown on exactly what it takes to make a 1JZ make the power that I'm currently making. It's making about 330 kilowatts, 341 kilowatts to the wheels right now. PJ's kit is really the big factor of this. It's the reason why we can make this power, and it's so standard. I just wanna quickly show them. This is the benefit of going PJ's kit, because look at this. Where's the turbo? It's standard, man. It's legit, like you can't tell that there's a big 3076 under there, which is exactly what you want.
It's stock officer.
It's stock officer?
Yeah, nothing done.
I also brought my laptop as well so PJ can have a look, even though we're both unfamiliar with the Link software. It's just in the glove box. Yeah, top. Yeah, so PJ knows more than me, but
I don't know shit.
yeah, PJ's gonna drive my car now, and he hasn't driven it, which is surprising because he's done it's the reason why I'm making this power, the reason why I'm here in the Chaser. Probably would have flipped it if you didn't give me a kit.
I don't have manual license, guys. Just
Oh, you don't have your manual license? Dude, oh, I shouldn't let you drive then. Oh, there you go. This is, oh yeah, my brakes are pretty fucked.
Pretty shit.
Yeah, they're fucked. I need to bleed them, as you can feel.
Yeah, they're really soft. Fucking got this one down in this.
Yeah, I know. I haven't bled them yet. Been so lazy.
I hate twin plates.
It's the first time being passo in the car, but it's misfiring anyway, so you can drive whenever you want. You can drive it whenever you want.
Alright, it's alright.
I'm saying that because I want you to get your car back on the road.
Yeah. Every time I do, like, if I do a customer's car, then I drive it.
Yeah.
And if you try. I did order a clutch pedal and brake pedal.
Yeah.
So it's one step closer.
Oh, really? You did that? Oh, yeah. Third gear feels fucked. But it's missing, yeah, really bad.
It's not as bad as I thought it'd be. It's like up top.
Yeah. Well, like it's definitely less quicker than when I got it back straight from the tune. Like I can feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. Oh. Goddamn. MR2. God damn! You miss it?
Yeah.
I like it. Where did you buy this car?
Hey?
Where you get this car?
It's Japan.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I love it.
Your car's very nice too.
Yeah.
Yeah, turbo, 6-cylinder. Yeah. Nice wheels.
Where you from?
Where am I from?
Commodore?
Half Filipino.
Oh, Filipino.
Yeah. Yeah, I like the stripes on your car.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Thank you.
It's actually been a few hours and we are back at home now, and I have been out for lunch, so that's why I have a different outfit. But yeah, we're gonna head to Andrew's now, and I'm going to suss what he's doing. We might meet up with Nathan. I'm gonna take the chaser and yeah, just have a bit of fun, you know, because yeah, like I said, I haven't been driving it around, but you know, I guess I probably shouldn't be really driving it around, but PJ sent it, he said it's not too bad. And we just need to get the coils and hopefully that'll fix it all. But it is drivable. There's just no point sending it because it's just misfiring up top. I wanted to do these sort of videos when the car's running mint, but I thought I'd just, you know, I'm here right now. I may as well take my mates for a drive even though it's misfiring up top. Got Andrew. Oh, what's on your hand? What's on your arm, bro?
Huh? It is. I'm some shady, bro.
Oh shit.
It's real. Definitely real.
Damn, bro.
Yep.
Hello. What's going on? What's happening?
Not much, you.
Not too much.
Happy New Year.
I'm gonna get you guys your reaction.
I'm king.
Do you want to hold the camera?
Whatever. Go this way.
You've been a Bravades car.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, it didn't like that one. It didn't like that one. I may have just misshifted just then. We'll recover. It's misfiring though. Like
Yeah,
you can hear it, right?
Yeah, I can hear it.
It's like breaking up. It's like
I can feel it in my bum.
yeah. It's like
That was.
oh, it's breaking up. Yeah.
The second gear was clean though. Then
Second gear was clean.
that was a clean second gear. Yeah.
Yeah.
But then third gear started breaking up around 6.
Straight away.
But when it's clean, you can really feel it.
Yeah. Imagine third clean.
Yeah. Because third. Yeah.
Just
I can feel the potential. Yeah.
Fuck's sake.
What do you
Why?
know? What it is? Coil?
Yeah. So apparently it's well, we all think that it's going to be coils.
Yeah.
Because I can't see a reason why the tune would affect how it's firing.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's part of the tune. He would have corrected that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So.
We'll figure it out. Okay. So Andrew and I just had a little bit of fun. The scene jumping is all over the place, but this is his mum's car. It's I'll get him to talk about it. How'd that feel?
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, they're pretty fast,
Yeah,
aren't
being
they?
behind your car is 15 pounds.
Hear me hit limiter
Yeah.
as it's coming. I was like, brrrr.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is this actually?
This is a 2014 R8 VF Club Sport.
Yes. What's in it?
SC.
LS3.
Yes, 6.2.
Damn. This is like the Australian muscle for all the Americans out there. God damn. Oh my god. Something like crazy special with this cover on there, huh? Like how it just comes off. Yep, there you go.
LS.
LS. Now there's an LS. I can see LS now. Nice. We had a bit of a race, but I'm literally getting no grip. But this thing is hella fast. Like,
Surprisingly.
oh, dude. Surprisingly, what do you mean? It's a 6.2 liter. It should be fast, right?
True.
I was very surprised. I was very surprised.
It was on a little bit.
There you go. Look at this thing. Damn. Got the camera. This is Jamie, by the way. He's probably like, why is there a camera in my face? Dude, I don't know too, bro. Rating out of 10 Betty's Burgers for their milkshakes. I would give an 8.5 for their peanut butter.
What I was about to say, bro.
Yeah, you got the same flavour as well.
Peanut butter.
Andrew, what'd you get? 8 out of 10?
8.
Ooh, 8. It's pretty freaking good. Pretty good. The hot start isn't the best in this thing. I've been playing a game lately. How long does it take to start the chaser? See how we go. Ah. Come on. All right, third attempt. There we go. Come on, come on. There we go.
Tried to get the bankiness, but I missed it. I was gonna expose the bankiness.
Yeah, the hot start is a little bit banky, not gonna lie. Bankyspec.com. We'll get that fixed soon. I love how this car sounds, man. Holy moly. The roads are dead as well because it's a public holiday. I don't know where everyone is. They're all on holidays, I guess, but god damn, man. I'm loving driving this thing today. Oh my god, it just arrived home. You probably can't see that because I got a wide angle lens, but massive spider in that corner. You can't see it on camera. And then down here, there's a little spider and it's got all of its little babies there. Nice! Australia! So I ended up ordering some new coil packs for the JZX. Hopefully they come soon so we can see if that's the issue because I really want to take it to the drift event on the 22nd. I'm actually going to try bring both cars up if they're both ready. So AE Falcon, you can get some AE Falcon tees by the way at bankyspec.com. Go over sus. That's about it for today's video. Hopefully we can get the cars fixed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you for clicking on today's video. Peace out. Adios. So as simple as that, we're at Waverley Exhaust, just on Blackburn Road.